Question number 2 says a train was traveling at a constant speed. The table below shows the distance in miles the train traveled for the first 4 hours. The first column shows the time in hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hours. The second column shows the distance in miles with the following numbers. The first part of the question says write an equation to represent the relationship between t, the time, and d, the total distance traveled by the train. So this column, our first column, will be the variable t, and the second column will be the variable d. So we can see that column t to column d is an increase in numbers. Numbers can be increased by either adding or multiplying. So if we add 94 to 1, we would get 95. We can check the second row by adding 94 to 2. That would be 96. That doesn't work because the second column in the second row is 190. So let's try multiplication. So 1 times 95 does equal 95. 2 times 95 does equal 190. 3 times 95 equals 285, and 4 times 95 equals 380. So we know the relationship between column A, the first column, and the second column is multiply by 5. So to write an equation relating these variables together, we would write t times 95 equals d. Or a more simplified way to write it would be 95t equals d. The second part of the question says if a train was traveling nonstop, how many miles would it travel in 7 hours? So we know that we have 7 is our t. We need to put that number into our equation that we just wrote to solve for d, the number of miles. And when we do that, putting that in your calculator, 95 times 7 equals 665 miles.